Life with Aunt. Yay! This is my dog. Oh, look, you kicked me. You're so cute. Okay, so I finally decided, I think kind of the, I guess Ice Queen vibe with blue to silvery, whatever. Since I got my hair this light right now, I figured now's probably a good time to do it before I put a color in it and then can't get it out, and you know, it's me. I can't leave it alone. So, okay, I have Iroiro. I love this brand. This is silver. Manic Panic Blue Angel in their cream tone pastel line. I have the Periwinkle. Okay, so I think that I'm happy with these colors. This is my swatches. I don't know if you can really see them. I have Iroiro Silver. Iroiro Silver. That is the Manic Panic Blue Angel cream tone. I started out with Periwinkle by Arctic Fox. So I added like 2 drops of Poseidon. So I added some Arctic Mist Dilluter. Not a lot, but some, which I think is pretty dark. But I think it'll be okay. We're gonna try it. I mean, if I don't like it, live with it for a while and then change it. It'll be fine. I'm gonna change it anyway. I know me.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Yeah, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by. Take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying on? It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call? And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday.
Okay guys, I got it all applied and I guess it's ice cream vibes, I don't know. Here, if you want to see all of it. I don't know. Whoops. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. Rinse in cool water, and then after I dry it, I will be back to show you guys the results. Hey guys, this is how my hair turned out. It's pretty. I mean, I definitely kind of am getting the whole ice cream vibes. Let me turn around and show you the back. But anyway, I don't know. I'm kind of liking the blue look. Like I say, it kind of has the ice cream vibe look. Kind of cool. So, I did a side part simply because, well, when I was blow drying it, that's just kind of the way it went, and I was like, whatever. Go with the flow. Until next time, guys, be fun, be weird, but more important, be you. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.